So to start a brand new hat, you start with making a slip knot, and because I like an adjustable ring, after you make the slip knot, just make one chain from here, drag inside, and one chain really fast like this, one inside under, and then one chain. Okay, once you have this, you'll have this nice adjustable ring on your side, on the side of your hook. Okay, so later on when you have the hat, you can close that hole that usually builds up in the center of the hat. Okay, you have that adjustable thread adjusted the ring for you. So now what we do, we're gonna build up like a 3 chain. Usually the way I do it is, there's different ways to do it. So we'll go like this, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now this doesn't count. I don't count this. This is just for me to build up the rings. Now I'm gonna have to make 8 sections. Each section is gonna have to start with a single double crochet. Okay, so this one doesn't count, so I'm gonna make my first single double crochet. We're gonna like this, and this thread is very fine, so it's alpaca hair as well, kind of difficult a little bit to work with. So you go like this and make a double crochet inside that ring. 1, hold on a second, a little bit. It just takes a little bit of effort to do the initial ring. Once you're done with the setup, then everything else will be easy. So you go like this, 1 and 2. That's chain number 1. Okay, so after chain number 1, we're gonna make chain 2, 1, 2 to create the space between the sections, and now we make another like double crochet. So another double crochet. This number 2, and we're gonna do another 2 chains, 1, 2, and then the third double crochet like that. 1, 2, oops, 1, 2, and then 2 chains. Now we're gonna do the 4th double crochet. Sometimes it's a little bit messy, you just have to bear with it. Now this is the 4th double crochet, and you continue like this till you do 8 double crochets. So this is the 4th one, and then this the 5th one, the thing is I'm looking through the phone camera because this POV like neck holder kind of like very difficult to use because the phone will be in my face and the phone is big, so it's disabling me from seeing my hands with my own eyes. I have to like tilt my head, which is difficult. So I'm looking through the phone. Okay, this is the 6th. Oops, again. 6, and then 2 chains. One, 2, and 7. Once you create this ring, everything else is easier. Just that ring sometimes is a little bit of a headache because everything is very finicky, and the thread is very thin. Okay, and last, I think the last one, number 8. That will create 8 sections on the head, on the beanie or the hat. And then we're gonna do 1, 2. What we're gonna do, pull this thread to close this circle. Okay, and just do a slip stitch at the. Remember that first chain I use is just like a. I don't use it just to create this, so I can slip stitch through it. It goes in right here, and no, not there, and the second loop, one here, and one right there. Been touching a lot of charcoal, and my nails are dirty. So we're gonna. Oh no, sorry, it's not a. Just slip stitch. So just take like this. Oops. Yeah, sometimes also very difficult because this one kind person told me to buy a specific hook that has that's gonna help me with these stitches, because that alpaca is very fine. And from here you're gonna grow 3. 1, 2, 3. Now as you can see, we have this little deformed flower. I forget, maybe it's very difficult to look at the photo and do this. But anyway, so you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in each one of those, you have to make 3. So 1 will become 3, 3 will become 5, 5 will become 7, and like that. You'll keep on growing. So on the first one, we're gonna do 3. So here, this is our first one. 1, 2, 3. Then 2 chains, 1, 2, to keep that spacing, and then go to the next one. Here, 1, 2, and 3. And double chain, I mean 2 chains, 1, 2, and then we go to the third. Double crochet this one. Where is it? It's this one right here. I'm gonna do 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. One chain, 1, 2 chains, 2 to the fourth right here, 1, 2, and 3. And 2 chains, 1, 2. Like that, you keep on going. Here, 1. Oh, sorry, it's right there. I'm gonna have to find out a way where I can look at my hands directly without having to see what's inside the phone, because this is gonna be difficult. It's like I'm relearning how to crochet from 0. Woo! Okay. 2, and 3. Two chains, 1, 2. Then you're gonna go to the third, I don't know where we are, fourth one, fifth one, or sixth one. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochets. And 1, 2. So far we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was the sixth one. Now we have 7 and 8. I think kinda they became a little bit too tight. I don't know what happened here. I was right there. Okay. You're gonna have to face all these like difficulties and hardships. That's actually part of the process. It's enjoyable once you get to like this craft. It's really nice. Kind of puts your mind at ease. Very therapeutic. Okay, 1. Sometimes it gets frustrating, but most of the time it's really nice. 2. And 3. I'm not gonna like, speed up this video. If you guys feel like you want to swipe left and right, put this on double speed. You've got all the choices in the world. But for me, this is gonna keep you the full raw edition, just so you see that we are all humans. Nobody's perfect. I'm gonna show you that my video is fast and I do things really quick. It takes me forever to finish one of those hats, but it's super rewarding. This is 1 and 2 and 3. If you're a person who's suffering from ADHD or whatever, all these weird terminologies that exist today in the world, this craft is definitely recommended for you. And see this hole that starts getting created in the center, right there. So now we have this thread. If you pull it, it closes it up, so you don't have to have that center hole. Now we do 2 chains, 1, 2, and we're closing this 1 circle. So remember, I always do this. I don't, this one is just not usable. It'll just create a chain for me, so I can just connect my circle. Go like this, go like that, and go through the loop. And awesome. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. So now we have 1, 2. You should have 3 in each one of them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So each one became 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's the first increment round to grow the circle. Okay. Sometimes what happens, basically what I did here, now I'm seeing only 2, right? 2 loops. The thing is I have to unwind this because I think I entered into the wrong place. So open this. Okay. And we're gonna have to find another one hiding here, right there. Do you see it, this one? That's the one actually that we're supposed to go in. So go back again here. Sometimes it becomes smaller. And by the way, this is a 2.25 millimeter hook, so maybe you need to get a bigger thread or bigger hook to practice if you're new to this. It took me some time till I got to the smaller. I started with the 5 millimeter hook, which is much easier to work with than compared to this one. But this one is makes you really engaged because it's very small. You have to like pay a lot of attention. So it's right there. Do you see it? Kind of a little bit tight, but I'm gonna have to open it up a little bit like this. There you go. And slip knot through it, slip stitch through it. And sometimes it slips because my hook has, definitely I'm gonna have to buy that hook that was suggested to me yesterday in the comments. Sometimes it's difficult. Oh, okay, again, no problem. That's what learning is. You're always learning, always. Never think you are not learning. You're always a student. Okay, so you're gonna pull, and again, give it a second try, and come on, yes, alhamdulillah. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we have 3 openings. 1, 2, 3. This is very necessary that you don't miss that in the beginning. Otherwise, you're gonna have 2. You're gonna end up with like an even number, then odd numbers. It's gonna become a little bit weird. You'll have some differences in numbers. So now we're gonna grow 2, 1, 2. Always the edges, they will grow into 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, like this. 2, 2. Each one of them will become 2, but the center ones, they'll have 1. I guess I'm gonna end this video at this, and we'll show you. This is I used a table to wrap my thread on it. Table leg, and I'm placing it between my feet so I can pull the thread from it directly. We'll show you how to turn this also, the lace. I use this type of lace, and then I just turn it into balls myself manually. This one is 500 meters. It takes a lot of time to finish wrapping it. We'll see you in the next video. We're continuing this circle to become full hat.